I've been asked to cover the issue of coronary artery disease, which is the #1 heart disease in the world, especially the United States. As we know, 1 million patients have heart attacks, 280,000 people die from heart disease in this country. That's very common. What leads to heart disease of this type? We know there are several risk factors that can lead to this. High blood pressure is a common problem. It appears to be the most common cause of death in the younger population in this world because it's totally ignored. Blood pressure ideal is 120/70. With the new guidelines, 135/85 is already pre-hypertension. Smoking is probably the most dangerous thing you can do for your health in regard to heart disease, brain disease, and peripheral artery disease of the legs and the arms sometimes. Smoking does not spare anything in the body. It destroys from the skin to bones. Unfortunately, it creates plaques in the arteries of the body and the heart and the brain. These plaques are the #1 cause of death in this country. Those plaques are called atherosclerotic plaques. When these plaques grow, they can block the flow of the heart arteries of the brain or the legs. These are the plaques that lead to heart attacks, and they are, by all means, the #1 cause of death in this country. Nobody should smoke in this world. No one, because smoking is not going to forgive you. It is unforgiving. It will give you troubles just sooner than later. Smoking kills people 20 years before they usually die in the normal age. Cholesterol is something that we've been studying for several years. Fortunately for us, since the 1970s, now we have medications that were able to control cholesterol. Cholesterol is another factor that leads to heart disease, brain disease, or peripheral vascular disease. It does accelerate the growing of the plaques in the body. Cholesterol can lead to strokes. The higher the cholesterol, the higher the risk of having heart disease of this type. On the other hand, the lower the cholesterol, the better for the heart and the whole body.